final touch. Ensuring alignment throughout the kitchen is important for a great look. We have shown how to align cabinets in Chapter 3, adjust hinges for doors and fronts in Chapter 4, and the correction of the dishwasher front in Chapter 5. The plinth makes the kitchen complete. A ventilation grid is necessary underneath the fridge and freezer. You click it on easily to the plinth. Put the grid in the middle under the integrated fridge and freezer. When putting down the plinth right under the cabinets, you can easily see where to place the plastic fittings on the plinth so that you attach them to the legs. Most likely you will need to add pieces of plinths together. That's easy. Now you have seen how to properly install a METOD kitchen. Use this knowledge to help your customers realise their dream kitchen.